How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be programming the 2024 Range Rover, and this is a two-step process. There are many videos on the internet that kind of shows partial of the programming, and then when you try to program it, it does not work. So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys what the proper procedure is to do the programming of your garage door opener with your clicker, and also how to program your vehicle transponder to the device basically. So regardless, whether you're programming your vehicle only or your remote, it's a two-step process. You have to follow my video. The one that you see on the internet is partial, and it's not going to work for you, for most of you guys. So in this video, basically what we need to do in these two processes, the very first process is to programming the remote control if your remote control is not already programmed. If you already have it programmed, then you can pass on to the next step of the process. But the very first thing in this video I'm going to be doing is programming the remote control to the controller, and then we're going to program the same controller to the car. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm programming the 2024 Range Rover, and the way you do it is you need a spare remote control like this, and you need to program this remote control to your controller. So this is a LiftMaster. And what you need to do is to program this guy. Right now this thing does not have anything. I'm using it at number 3. So press this. There you go. So there's number 2 for this guy. And now we're going to go and program this guy to the car. Okay, we are inside the car, and what you need to do is I'm going to use the second one. So this second one to the second one. So I'm going to hold on to this. See this orange? Now press this guy and it should turn green. There you go. I'm going to let it go. Let both of them go. Just wait for it to go away. I'm going to press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it's still not doing it. As you can see, it's not opening the garage, but there's another step that we need to do. Okay, now what we need to do is, now we're going to go ahead and press this and then go inside the car again. So press it, the light is going to turn on. And now we're going to press this guy. 1, 2. There you go. So now you can see it's working. And I already had programmed this one. So this is opening the first one, and this is opening the second one. And that's all there is to it.